There are many definitions. One possible is the good outcome of an undertaking, or successfully completing an aim, a goal that you have taken. Many people associate success with material possessions, money, social positions, even relationships. But from a certain point of view, this is a little bit of a distorted perspective upon success. Success is more than money that you have in a bank or material possessions. Let's join me for a scenario. Imagine if the vision upon success would be another one. If, for example, a successful person will be considered someone who is calm, stress-free, harmonious, wise, patient, loving, kind, compassionate, trustworthy, empathetic, and so on and so forth. And now imagine that all of us will receive as an encouragement the suggestion to achieve, to reach that type of success. So instead of running after money, becoming burned out in order to make more money and to have more material possessions, or to reach a higher level in your career as a social position, or even trying to have relationships with people who are considered to be successful in their turn. Imagine that you will use all that time, all that energy and all those skills in order to achieve the other type of success, the new success, in which you are successful when you are a very, very good human being. And for you, that type of success which is connected to have and to do is actually not a success anymore. For you, that is not anymore the scale of success. So now imagine that all of us, we will have as a goal and an aim to reach success exactly those aspects that I presented for you. The ability to be a kind person, to have patience, to be loving, to be non-judgmental, to maintain your health, to have the ability to help in a generous way many people, to have wisdom, to have harmonious relationships, to be able to love without waiting anything in return, and so on and so forth. And now imagine, let's continue with our scenario, that all of us will have that as a goal of success or as a standard of success. You can imagine a world in which every single person will do their best in order to be successful at being stress-free, at being loving, at being compassionate, at being patient, and so on. So what happens when we have the material success as our goal? We all know we will become frustrated when we don't achieve it. We will work very hard, and many times a little bit too hard, in order to achieve that. We will also probably lower the self-confidence when we do not achieve that level of success we consider it to be the necessary one or the desired one. And we will also probably end up in conflicts. We will not actually create a happy living, for us, to put it very simple. So it is really important that we, in these times, we shift our perspective upon what success is. So because now there are all these new terminology with the new normal, we can also come with another term, the new success. The new success in which we are much more altruistic and we take care of each other on a deeper level, when the new success is being able to maintain a state of health, radiant health, no matter the outer circumstances. And this, believe me, requires a constant training, awareness, and also the ability to really not make so many compromises.